Hi, my name is Ammon Carver, and today I will be showing you how to cut a modern shag with a fringe using Fromm Pro shears and tools. This is the #1 cut being asked for in salons right now, so here is how to make sure your client leaves happy and trendy. Starting with wet hair, I'm going to divide the hair into 3 main sections. I like to secure each section with the Fromm Pro rubberized clip. What's great about these clips is they don't slip due to their rubberized strip that creates a snug fit on your client's hair. Starting with the front section, I'm going to point cut with comb control using the Defy shear. Once the hair is dry, I'm just diffusing or opening it up so that it's easy for her to see through that, and it also makes it easy for her to drape open. Release the top section, and using the longest length from the front section as your guide, elevate straight up and cut a 45-degree cutting line, getting longer toward the back. This is going to be your stationary guide for the rest of the top section. You can go from the longest length here, something that's very long, or something that's a little bit shorter depending on what your guest is looking for or their hair type. And a great way to check it is, since we have all this perimeter length underneath, I can see exactly where those layers are going to begin to fall. So that's going to be my shortest layer here, and then from there they will fall longer and blend into that length. So if you feel like you have a guest that wants something a little bit more aggressive, you can take it a little more flat, or something that's more conservative, you can take it a little steeper angle, but this is a great way to check it. Using horizontal sections to the top, over-direct each section to the center top guide length, and then point cut to follow the shorter to longer guide you established previously. Stand on the opposite side of the section you're working on so you can visibly maintain precise over-direction. Release the lower section and then dry the hair using a gentle rough drying technique with your fingers or a low tension brush like Fromm's Elite Flexor. Next, take vertical sections with low elevation and cut to blend the top section with the remaining underneath using a surface planing or slide cutting technique. I like to use the Invent shear for this technique because it has a smooth blade that creates a soft blended edge. Use a visual guide to see where the connection is needed most, making sure not to cut too aggressively near the front hairline. Remember, maintain the fullness of the perimeter line. The last step is to detail. Now, depending on the density of the hair, some deep point cutting in the crown or the fringe area may be needed. Lastly, please make sure the perimeter line is a solid, even line with substantial shape. And here is our finished look. This technique and these tools can give you an eye-catching shag with perfect fringe.